County, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Jefferson County and east central Ohio, Allegheny County and southwest Pennsylvania, southern Armstrong County and west central Pennsylvania, southern Beaver County and western Pennsylvania, southeastern Butler County and west central Pennsylvania, southern Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County and southwest Pennsylvania, southern Hancock County and northern West Virginia, northern Westmoreland County and southwest Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from 14 miles north of Crooked Creek Lake Park to 9 miles north of Freeport to 9 miles northeast of Moon to Sun Valley, and were moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sun Valley, Toronto, Florence, Moon, Imperial, Freeport, Russellton, Perrysville, Allison Park, Natrona Heights, Crooked Creek Lake Park, Mickey's Rocks. Highways impacted include Interstate 279 Parkway north between mile markers 1 and 10, Interstate 579 Crosstown Boulevard, Interstate 376 near mile marker 52, Interstate 376 Parkway west between mile markers 53 and 69, Interstate 376 Parkway central between mile markers 70 and 74, Interstate 376 Parkway east between mile markers 75 and 84, Toll 66 between mile markers 8 and 13, Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 55 and 67, Interstate 76 between mile markers 40 and 65. This line of storms has produced widespread wind damage. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.